A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. It is fitting that at this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people. And
Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey through time to commemorate a pivotal moment in history, India's Independence Day. On August 15th, we celebrate not just a date on the calendar, but the culmination of countless sacrifices, determination, and the indomitable spirit of a nation. Join us as we delve into the pages of history and explore the significance of this momentous occasion. The story of India's independence is one of resilience and bravery. It started with the exploitation under colonial rule, but the yearning for freedom was always present. In the late 19th century, visionaries like Mahatma Gandhi emerged, advocating non-violent resistance against the British Empire. The call for self-rule spread like wildfire. Gandhi's philosophy of satyagraha, or truth force, became the driving force behind India's fight for freedom. Salt March, Dandi March, civil disobedience, these became synonymous with the struggle. Millions of Indians united under the tricolor flag, demonstrating the power of unity and diversity. The road to freedom was paved with sacrifices. Bhagat Singh, Subhas Chandra Bose, Sarojini Naidu. These names echo through history. Their courage, determination, and unwavering commitment to the cause inspired generations to come. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre and the sacrifices of countless unknown heroes remind us of the price paid for liberty. As the World War raged on, the demand for India's independence grew stronger. Finally, on August 15, 1947, the world witnessed the fulfillment of a dream. India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, proclaimed the nation's tryst with destiny. The midnight speech marked the beginning of a new era. Independence Day is not just about freedom from colonial rule, but about celebrating India's diversity. From the snowy Himalayas to the lush western Ghats, from the deserts of Rajasthan to the backwaters of Kerala, every corner of this land contributes to the vibrant tapestry of our culture. As we fast forward to the present day, we see a rapidly developing India. From technological advancements to economic growth, the spirit of independence lives on. However, challenges like poverty, inequality, and social issues remind us that the journey towards true freedom is ongoing every year. On August 15th, India comes alive with celebrations. The tricolor flag flutters proudly, cultural programs are held, and parades march through the streets. Schools, colleges, and communities join in to honor the past and envision a brighter future. As we conclude our journey through India's Independence Day, let us remember that the spirit of freedom extends beyond borders. It's about cherishing our diversity, respecting our past, and shaping a better tomorrow. So this August 15th, let's come together, not just as Indians, but as citizens of the world, celebrating the essence of liberty and the pursuit of a brighter future. As we stand at the crossroads of the past and the future, Independence Day serves as a reminder that unity and progress go hand in hand. Together, we can overcome any obstacle, realizing the dreams of those who fought for our freedom. Let's embrace our diversity and work towards a harmonious, inclusive society. And there you have it, the incredible journey of India's Independence Day, a journey of sacrifice, courage, and determination. As we celebrate the 75th anniversary of this momentous occasion, let's remember that independence is not just a day, but a lifelong commitment to shaping a better world. As we reflect on India's journey to independence, let's think about the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Which freedom fighter's story resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into India's Independence Day and its significance, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Together, let's celebrate the spirit of freedom, unity, and progress. Jai Hind. Thank you for joining us today on this special journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the message of unity and freedom. Until next time, Jai Hind.